We invest in fast-growing technology companies and technology in healthcare. That's in North America and Europe. And these companies typically have around $10 million or more of revenue and are growing extremely quickly. We're a minority investor only. We manage around $3 billion in total, typically invest around $20 to $60 million into a deal. It's the thing that about the market's interesting. Technology waves never stop. They just keep going. They're pretty relentless, and obviously we've got a new wave now with AI. But the thing that makes investment interesting is the capital markets that actually go alongside those technology waves. And we're in one of those downturns now where the capital markets are under some stress in the private world. So we had a crazy time in 2001, which is now we're absorbing the consequence of that. And so we had a sort of period of 2022 and the market was frozen. 23 that extended, and now 24 we're starting to see the market open up again for investment. So we're seeing far more activity today. There's lots more deals getting done, valuations have reset, and actually it's a really good time to invest today. Definitely for the best time really probably in the last 10 years. I think AI is one of these religious discussions actually. Everyone's got a very different view. But it's undeniably a big platform shift that is impacting pretty much every industry, particularly those that are highly exposed to services. If you think about, say, cloud software really replaced on-premise software, but AI is really replacing services, and that's a much, much bigger market that's going to be impacted across pretty much every part of the ecosystem. And we're spending a lot of time, particularly in the application layer for AI, and I think we're seeing companies that are growing faster than anything we've ever seen before. So we think the opportunity is very real, and it's now. Well, we saw some pretty crazy things in 2023. So the valuations are high, but then the opportunities enormous as well. And that's the valuation for AI companies generally tend to be higher today than valuations in other sectors. So they're always good places to invest. And the reality is AI is impacting pretty much every company. So whether you're investing in something that isn't an AI company, it's probably going to benefit and be impacted by AI as well. Well, I think Europe's really matured, actually. I'd say the opportunity set in Europe is very high. There are lots of really high-quality entrepreneurs, and particularly repeat entrepreneurs. And so we are pretty actively looking here. I mean, we have a history of investing in Europe, particularly the UK, France, and Israel, probably the three markets the most. I mean, in France in particular, I've invested in grotwh in the past. We're investors in Accor today, which is doing extremely well. And we've looked at a lot of companies here. The quality of the entrepreneurs is good, the quality of the engineers is very high, and people tend to, the companies and the employees tend to be loyal, so they stick around for a while. There's not quite the chaos of Silicon Valley, so we think the opportunity is good.